Hello dear students, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, I am going to give you the complete and clear explanation of the prose packing from the language English of degree 4th semester. By watching this one single video, you will become perfect in this prose, and if you write this summary in your examination, definitely you will score full marks. So make sure you watch the video till the very end, and if you are new to our YouTube channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe it for more exam preparation videos and don't forget to share it with your friends and classmates. Students, one important thing, if you want 100% damn sure important question and answers notes for all subjects and languages of degree 4th semester, then message me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Learn with Sahira. Link is available in this video description. Just message me what notes along with your group and semester, and I will give you the access to all the notes. These notes are very easy, simple, clear to understand and 100% exam oriented. But remember, there is a small payment. Yes, very small payment, but you will definitely see excellent results with these notes. Only the students who want the notes should text me. And if you want to watch all lesson explanation videos, complete grammar and vocabulary explanation videos, then please do visit our channel's playlist. Playlist is named English Semester 4. Under that playlist, you will be finding all the videos which will be helpful to score O grade in your English examination. Without getting late, let us get started. Students, first let us try to understand about the author. Author here is Jerome K. Jerome. He was a very famous English writer. Okay, he was a very famous English writer, specially known for his humorous writing style. His stories are not serious or heavy. Okay, when you listen to his stories or when you read his stories, they are not serious or heavy. Instead, they are simple, they are funny, and they are very relatable. Okay, he usually wrote about daily life situations, students, like the kind of things we all experience. Okay, but he presented them in such a funny way that the readers cannot stop laughing. And his most famous book is Three Men in a Boat. This is his famous book, we can say, and the lesson packing is taken from this book itself. Okay, most famous book is Three Men in a Boat, and this lesson packing is also took from Three Men in a Boat book. So the special thing about his writing is, while making us laugh, he also gives a small lesson about human nature. Okay, this is one of the special thing about his writing. This is what it is all about the author. Now, if we talk about the prose packing, we can say that it is a humorous essay about three friends preparing for a boat trip. There are three friends and they are preparing for a boat trip, and this essay is all about those three friends, and this essay is humorous. Okay, the main focus is on a very simple task, packing a bag. There is a very simple task to pack a bag for their trip, but instead of doing it easily, they turn it into a big mess. So through this funny situation, the writer shows us overconfidence, carelessness, and lack of planning can make even simple work difficult. Okay, now let us get started with the summary. Listen to me carefully and see on the screen. The summary starts something like this. In this humorous essay, Jerome K. Jerome describes how he and his two friends, George and Harris, prepare for a boat trip. They think packing will be an easy and simple task. Jerome decides to pack the bag himself to show that he can do it properly. At first, he feels confident. However, very soon he begins to forget important items. After closing the bag, he suddenly remembers that he has forgotten something and has to open it again. This happens many times. He keeps unpacking and repacking, creating confusion instead of finishing the work. So students, the story begins with three friends, George, Jerome, and Harris. Okay, these people are three friends who are planning to go on a boat trip. Now, before any trip, packing is very important. You all agree with me? Right, before any trip or before going anywhere, we pack, right? We pack our bag. So here they think it is as very simple task. Okay, these three friends, they think that packing is very simple task, something that can be done quickly without any problem. So here Jerome, the main character, the writer of this prose, he decides that he will do the packing himself. Like, he wants to show that he is very organized and capable. At the beginning, he feels very confident, like I can do this perfectly, easily, I can do the packing. He feels very confident at the beginning, but slowly things start going wrong. Yes, things start going wrong. After packing and closing the bag, he suddenly remembers, oh, I forgot something. Okay, he packs the bag, he closed the bag, then he suddenly remembers he forgot something. So he opens the bag again, then again he forgets something else. This keeps happening again and again. He is opening the bag, he is closing the bag. Means packing, repacking is going again and again. So instead of finishing the work, he keeps unpacking and repacking. Now imagine this situation, guys. Sometimes even in real life, when we pack in hurry, we keep forgetting things, right? And we keep opening the bag again and again. That same funny confusion is here. Second para is just when Jerome thinks he has finally finished packing, George and Harris decide to help him. They believe they can pack more systematically. They empty the bag completely to start fresh. But instead of making things better, they create even more chaos. They forget items just like Jerome did. They also break some things carelessly. Their overconfidence turns the simple job into a big mess. Now, when Jerome finally feels that he has finished packing, his friends George and Harry step in. Okay, they come into the picture. They think we can do this better. Like they are also confident that they can do better packing compared to Jerome. So they believe that they are more systematic and organized. So what do? They empty the entire bag and start packing again from the beginning. पूरे बैग को खाली करके फिर beginning से पैक करना स्टार्ट कर रहे. Now instead of improving the situation, they make it worse, right? They make it worse. They also forget things just like Jerome did. On top of that, they handle things carelessly and even break some items. Okay, थोड़े आइटम्स ब्रेक भी हो गए उन लोग के हाथ से. सो देयर ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस क्रिएट मोर कंफ्यूजन. दिस शोज दैट समटाइम्स व्हेन पीपल थिंक टू हाईली ऑफ देमसेल्फ, दे मेक सिंपल टास्क मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, राइट? Next, the funniest part of the essay comes when they try to pack a pie. Okay, they struggle to find a proper place for it in the bag. They keep moving things around again and again. In the process, they press the pie and finally spoil it completely. This scene shows how their carelessness and lack of attention make the situation worse. The simple act of packing becomes a hilarious adventure full of mistakes. Now comes the most funny part of the essay. They try to pack a pie. When I'm explaining you, I'm getting that laugh. I'm sorry for that. So when they try to pack a pie, it created a lot of mess. Okay, it created a lot of mess. And now packing a pie needs a little care, right? Because it can easily get spoiled. They need to give some attention to it. But instead of being careful, they keep moving things again and again inside the bag, trying to adjust the pie. So in this process, they press the pie too much and finally it gets completely spoiled. Okay, that pie completely got spoiled. Now imagine this situation, trying to pack something carefully, but instead ruining it completely. So this is what it is all about, the packing of a pie. And, this makes the scene so funny. Okay, so this shows their carelessness and lack of attention. Like a simple task, very simple task, I might say, like packing turns into funny disaster. After a long struggle, they become tired and frustrated. They give up the idea of packing neatly. Instead, they throw everything into the bag in a random way. The bag looks untidy and badly arranged, but they are too exhausted to care anymore. Finally, they close the bag and decide that is good enough, even though they know it is not packed properly. Now, after all this confusion, they become tired and frustrated. Okay, कोई भी काम बार बार करने से definitely you will get tired, right? You will get irritated. So the same thing happened with these three friends. They have spent so much time and energy, but still the work is not done properly. So finally what happens is they give up the idea of packing neatly. So instead they just throw everything into the bag randomly. Bag लिए सब कुछ उठा के उसमें फेंक दिए. This is what it is happening from their side. So the bag becomes untidy as well as it becomes disorganized. Organized नहीं है, but now they are too tired to fix it. So they just close the bag and say it's okay, this is good enough. हाँ ठीक है, चल जाएगा. So even though they know it is not properly packed, they don't have the energy to do it again. So this shows how people sometimes give up after making things too complicated. Okay. So through this funny situation, Jerome shows that even a small task can become difficult if people are not careful or if they think too highly of themselves. The essay is humorous because many readers can relate to such experiences. Almost everyone has faced some kind of packing problem in life. The story teaches that overconfidence and lack of planning can turn simple tasks into complicated ones. Now the writer gives the main idea through this funny situation, guys. He shows that even a very small and simple task can become difficult. Okay, like if we are careless or if we are overconfident, it will create a lot of confusion and it will become difficult. Like if we think this is very easy, I don't need to plan, then we may end up making mistakes. So this is exactly what happens in the story. Also, this essay is funny because it feels very real, right? Many of us experienced similar situations, like we forget things while packing, it will create a lot of mess, or we will be struggling with small tasks. So we all can relate to it, so readers can easily relate to it. And through this humor, the writer gives a simple lesson: always be careful and plan properly, even for small tasks. Now, if we talk about the conclusion, we can say that this essay gives a light but meaningful message, right? Like it shows that without planning, even simple work can be difficult. It highlights human carelessness and also it highlights human overconfidence. It also shows that teamwork without proper coordination can create confusion. So, through this funny situation, Jerome makes us laugh and at the same time teaches us to be more organized and careful in life. Definitely planning की जरूरत रहेगी कुछ भी करने से पहले. So this is what it is all about, the explanation of packing. How was the explanation? Definitely let me know in the comment section. मुझे कमेंट चाहिए कि मेरा explanation कैसा था. And also if you get any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will definitely reply you. And if you want damn sure important question and answers notes, you need to message me on my Instagram. Instagram ID is Learn with Sahira. Link is available in this video description. And yes, also do join our Telegram channel for more informative updates. Telegram channel link is also available in this video description. All the very best. Bye bye.